We are extremely grateful to the people of this borough for coming in big numbers to see their town hall. I am grateful to the council officers for putting on this fantastic event to showcase our community hub, our town hall, to the people of this great borough. We had an opportunity to buy this iconic building, the former Royal London Hospital, in 2014 for £8.5 million. I was the mayor then, and we spent £130 million, and we will save £16 million every year as a result to deliver a town hall at the heart of Tower Hamlets. Tower Hamlets is a microcosm what this country is. We are multicultural, we are diverse, we are united, we are integrated. Together makes us strong as a country. We are 340,000 people. We're one community. Food, art, culture brings us together. Celebrate our diversity, our oneness. I am so grateful that we were able to preserve and protect this historic building for the people of the borough. This great institution is open for the public. Enjoy it, tour it, celebrate our oneness, our diversity, unity.
It's an honour and a privilege to celebrate with the Mayor today the opening of this amazing building. I am not from this part of the country, you can tell by my strange accent, but I have been made to feel at home in this borough. It's such a welcoming borough, and it's such a privilege to work with the Mayor and Cabinet and officers of this council for our residents. And the future for Tower Hamlets is bright. When we listen to our amazing young people, the future is going to be amazing in our borough, and we're going to be doing it from our fantastic town hall right in the heart of the borough.
দুইটা মিলাইয়া আর দেখা যায় যে দেশের বিভিন্ন খানো ডিভিশন ও রেসিজম ওর অনেক ধরনের সমস্যার আজকের যে ইভেন্ট একটা পুরোটা কমিউনিটি ইউনাইটেড ভাবে সেলিব্রেট করলাম আমরা। So I'm grateful to our officers যারা এটা অর্গানাইজ করছেন।
Celebrate our beautiful town hall, bringing all of us together.
We are united as a people, we are united as a kingdom, and I think diversity is one of our biggest strengths. We are one community with several peoples, and I think that this event actually does that the best. We have so many cultures all coming here showcasing the pride of their culture.
This event was just so powerful. It was just a demonstration of how multicultural Tower Hamlets truly is. It shows how diverse our borough is, and I'm so proud to say that I'm a representation of the young people in this borough.